when browsing online, there seems to be misleading information. Simply because when you search traders online, you'll see people with many monitors, 20 monitors, trading on many different screens and needing all this information. And other traders that will literally tell you that you can trade just on your smartphone and you can make millions that way. So in this debate, who is actually right? Can you be a full-time trader just using your phone? Or do you absolutely need so that's a 4-screen setup? Do you need a 20-screen setup? If I added 5 screens to my setup, would I be 5 times more profitable? This is what we'll answer in this video. So in order to be a successful professional trader, how many screens do you actually need? So I'm first of all going to start this video by explaining why people actually use several monitors when they trade. And the simple answer is data, okay? When you're a trader, data is king. The more data you have, the more information you have, the better decisions you can make based on this data. So for my personal situation, you can see I have a 4-screen monitor setup. So why do I need several screens? Simply because I'm looking at the trades I have personally running at the moment. I need to see them. I'm also looking at trades I have in my watch list in order to not to miss these opportunities. I'm also looking at live news that could affect my running trades and that could impact my future decisions on the market. And I also generally need windows open to make my personal research, whether it's on different subjects, if I'm looking at fundamentals or so. So in my situation, do I actually need these 4 monitors in order to do so? Technically, no. Technically, when I'm traveling, I can look at my running trades, I can look at my watch list, I can look at data, I can look at news, I can look at the account information on just one screen. But what do I have to do? I need to switch all different desktops, I need to switch tabs, I need to switch softwares, and overall there's a higher chance for me to miss a certain information or miss a certain trade simply because I didn't have it in front of my eyes because I was doing some research about something else. So technically, yes, I could use one single monitor, and this is what I do whenever I travel for short periods of time. However, I am much more comfortable trading on my full trading setup because I'm able to see everything I need at a glance without having to move everything, without having to change tabs, which is much more efficient for my workflow on a day-to-day basis. And I'm sure this actually answers the question why I have a trading setup here in Panama, but I also have another one in Europe, okay? And I'm sure this answers a question I get quite often, as I made a video about this trading setup. I also made a video about the trading setup I have back in Europe. And so the reason why I have several trading setups in the places I travel to a lot is simply because it's more comfortable for me to work in this environment. So now the real question is, when you are starting to trade, do you need several monitors? And the answer is no. To start with, no. Simply because you'll have many more issues than not having enough data in front of your eyes, okay? Whenever you start trading, there are so many more different aspects you will need to work on before having the issue of I'm not having enough data in front of my eyes. So then as a beginner trader, when you advance, at which point should you go from trading from a laptop to you having an actual trading setup with several monitors? Simply when you feel the need to, okay? I literally know people that would trade in a certain way where they would not necessarily need that much information, okay? So literally they may need another screen and just to be a bit more flexible. However, they would not need like 4 different screens or 6 or 10 or 20. But literally adding a trading screen to your trading setup should be something you feel like you need and not something you put just to put there, okay? Because I can guarantee you that if you are a total beginner trader and you start with a 4-screen trading setup, you'll just be lost because you won't know what to actually do with all the space and you won't know what you need to actually look for. So it's much better to start with one trading screen and upgrade as soon as you feel the need to and you need more information in front of your eyes and you actually know why you need a second monitor or a third monitor or a fourth monitor. So to conclude this video, I really want to say that at the end of the day, your trading results do not come from the monitors, okay? Your trading results come from your decision. So if having several monitors helps you make smarter, better informed decisions, then it's a good idea. However, if you have more trading screens just for the sake of having more trading screens, that will probably not help you because at the end of the day, it's your decisions that dictate your trading performances. So I hope this video answered this question I get quite a lot. If you have any question on my trading setup or on this subject in general, feel free to leave a comment. I read every single one of them and I answer to all of them. If you need to contact me in a more personal way, you can also send me a DM directly on Instagram. That just comes up here. I post a YouTube video literally every Sunday about finance, investing, trading, etc. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed this video, please also leave a thumbs up. It was Elliot. I wish you a great rest of your day. Peace.